What's up, YouTube? Life Survival here. Today I'm going to be talking about a few Spyderco knives that I have. I love Star Wars, and I love everything white and black, like a Stormtrooper. A few things right here. A light. Woobin. And another light. Yeah, I'm a big nerd. So I got a few knives here. This one's really cool. But the ones I wanted to talk about are these ones. Spydercos Smock, Rex 45, MXG clip, I can't remember what this is. Sorry about that. Rex 45 also. Manix 2 lightweight. Rex 45 also. But the one I'm most proud of, Spyderco Shaman in CPM M4. This thing is my favorite Spyderco I own. All right. Like and subscribe, please.